Good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. This video will be a quick tutorial hopefully on how to use EndNote with Word and importing citations from both Google Scholar and the Griffith Uni Library. So to get started, hopefully we've all installed EndNote from my previous video. Open up EndNote, head to File in the top left corner, New. We will create our first EndNote library. So I'll create it in My Documents, create a new folder, EndNote Library. Double click on that and then save our library in there. Make this screen nice and big. So here is our EndNote library. Looking rather bare at the moment, but we'll soon populate that. So to get started, we'll go through Google Scholar importing. So we'll open up our Google Chrome, head to Google Scholar or scholar.google.com.au. Once we're here, you can search whatever you'd like. Video podcasts in education sounds useful. Say we want to use this first citation here in our review. So you can look at the PDF file for this if you have access to it. If you're accessing Google Scholar on the university network, a lot of these will have the PDF accessible. So what we can do from here, we can actually go Save As. We'll keep it as K 2012 Lit Review. We'll just download that PDF for now and keep that on hand. If we do want to cite this review in our work, all we need to do is just click on this Cite button here. This brings up all the details, and then just click on EndNote at the bottom. This will download an EndNote import file. Makes life very easy. We can import this file manually by going into our EndNote library, clicking on this little button with the arrow pointing down into a box. Make sure that this drop-down box has got EndNote import selected, and we'll go and find our EndNote file that we just downloaded. So we'll import that, and here is our reference. Nicely done. All the details are in here. If you want to edit, say, the access date or anything, you can do. If we want to add the full version or the PDF file, what we can do is right click on the reference, go down to File Attachments and then Attach File. We'll upload the file that we just downloaded before, so K 2012 Lit Review. We'll open that up and that will save it into EndNote attached to our reference. So that's how to import from Google Scholar. Say we want to import from the Griffith Library database. So we'll log into Griffith University via My Griffith. To access the library, go to Study Support in the blue ribbon here. Head to Library. And then in the catalogue, you can select, say, journal articles only. And we'll do video podcasts in education. We'll search in here. If you are on campus, this will be full of awesome information. If you're off campus, you can run VPN software. Griffith do have a how to install all that stuff. So you can access everything at home, which is very useful. So see, we've already got K Robbins Lit Review here, so we'll use something else. Say we'll use this second one for argument's sake. So what we can do, if we want to use this in our library, just click on the More Actions, 3 dots on the right hand side here, go to EndNote, and then this will once again download another file. So rather than importing it through EndNote, what we will do is just click on the thing that we just downloaded now. We'll save our changes, sure. And now what it has done is come up as another one. So we had K Robin, or Robin HK, the 2012 Lit Review, which we had before. And now we've got our new import, which we just threw in there. all included. So if we want to, we can actually create groups. So right click on my groups, select create group or group set. I just created this one. I want to rename this to video in education, seeing as that is what I am doing. And then we can go all references and highlight them either by clicking and dragging, or you can shift click or control click, and then we'll just click and drag down into our video in education. Now, the best bit is adding it into our Word document. So we'll open up our free Office 365 Word that we got through Griffith, #thanks Griffith. When we install EndNote, you'll notice that there's an extra tab that gets installed up here. So click on EndNote X8, video in education is awesome, as referenced by, and then what we do is go into the top left or the very left hand side of the EndNote X8 tab, click on insert citation, or at least make sure that the style here is selected to APA 6th if you want to use APA 6th or Chicago, but seeing as we are using APA 6th, we'll change it to that. We'll insert our citation, we'll use K, and then insert there. You can also do this, video in education is more awesome than that. You can insert another one, which is, say we want to insert Danforth, who said that. So you can insert that there, and it automatically puts the in-text referencing and then updates the bibliography list at the very bottom of all our writing. Just one last quick thing is this search finding thing. So this searches our entire EndNote library. So if we put in, say we know we want to use Danforth here, we can type Danforth and that will come up. But if we can't really remember which journal article we wanted to use, if you type A, just the letter A, and then hit find, it will bring up all of our references in our library. That pretty much does it for this tutorial, guys. Hopefully this has helped you. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please shoot me through a message. This is just scraping the surface of EndNote. It is such a technical and awesome, useful program, but this will definitely get you started on your way towards doing some of your assignments, which are coming up soon. So enjoy. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and be positive. Enjoy. Bye.